YouTube, what's the deal, man? We are back with another video. Appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Look, man, a lot of you guys know I run a Turo business. A lot of my close friends, family, everywhere we go, everybody's asking me how I got started with Turo, and how they can get started, or is that the best side hustle out? I just want to answer a few questions. But before we get started, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers on this new channel here. I appreciate all you guys. Drop a comment down below, hit that like button, and let's get straight into it, man. So, and just so you know, this is my account here, kind of Jay. You can see it. That's me. Look, I'm gonna tell you guys a few things, okay? When it comes to starting a Turo company, I didn't start off as a Turo company. I own a legit rental car agency, and I use Turo to get my clients. Okay, so when it comes to how do we start Turo, okay, there's so many. That's like a question that, you know what I mean. It's like, how did you get your first car? Should be the better question. So for me, this right here, you can see this 2016 C-Class. This was my personal car. After I crashed my BMW, totaled that. This was my personal car. I also had a Kia Soul, but I ended up selling the Kia Soul, right? The Kia Soul was my daily use. This car was literally sitting in my garage for a whole year and didn't get rented, and I should have been renting it this whole time. I should have been on top of the game this whole time, but I wasn't. I was just making money other ways and stuff like that. So I started with this car here, right? So for instance, if you don't have a car, you need to find a way to get a car. Get your money up and get a car. Whatever the case is, get a car, list the car. Before you buy the car, right, you need to check the car. Does it have recalls, stuff like that, and see if it's eligible for Turo. The car can't be older than 12 years, can't be over 130,000 miles. Make sure you get some in decent condition for the renters, and make sure that, you drive the car and there's no shaking, there's none of that extra stuff. Make sure the car is good quality. And yeah, and the name of the game is, get a car that you can see the value holding a little bit, just because if anything happens, you have an option. Sorry, you have an option to get rid of that car. A lot of people get these cars and they get stuck, and they don't know what to do, right? So what I would say is this: if you're looking to get started with Turo, go ahead, create a Turo account. Tell your mom, your dad, your brother, whoever's got a car, put the car on the platform. Find a location, take your pictures. Make sure you get all the pictures looking good, cropped right, good lighting. Mine aren't the best, as you can see here. I got to update these pictures. This car I don't really touch. This car flies. And, right now, Turo has unlisted a lot of my cars. I have AMG GT, AMG SL, 2022 C-Class, Mustangs. There's about 7 cars enlisted. Maserati. There's a couple recalls and stuff like that we got to get taken care of. So, as you can see, I'm an all-star host. I should be a power host by now, actually. I'm just waiting for them to approve that. So, you can see my response rate's at 100. You just want to have good communication, man. But don't be fooled when people are like, oh, let me get into something that's automated or passive. You got to put the work in, bro. When I first started, I'm washing cars at 2 a.m, 3 a.m. I got guests coming to pick up the car at 4 a.m. I wasn't turning down no rentals, bro. Everything was going out straight up. And this was only at the time, bro, when I first started, I only started with like 4 or 5 cars. I wish I started with more, to be honest. So, like, you just got to know your market too. That's the thing. Like, I don't want to give you guys false information. You got to know your market. Like me, I'm in California. My market's different than y'all. At the same time, I compete with thousands of people who are trying to rent their car, just so you know. So yeah, man, that's kind of what I got for you guys. You just want to take the pictures, upload it on your platform, make sure the registration's clear, you have the right license plate. You don't want to get into a situation where someone gets pulled over in your car and they complain to Turo, and then Turo got to hit you up, and then, you know what I'm saying, it's a bad look, bro, bad look. So make sure everything's clean. Clean your cars, take pride in your cars, give good service, be on time. And then, you know, you'll learn the ins and outs. I'm going to be dropping so much more content for you guys. I have so many experiences I've gone through. Car crashes, towed cars, you name it. Smoking in the car, trash in the car, people late, taking my car out of state, out of the country. I mean, out of the country, past the border, stuff like that. So just wild, man. Wild. The journey's been crazy. If you expect to do this by yourself and don't have like a girlfriend or spouse or friend, good luck. Learning the airport deliveries and all that stuff, good luck. Can you do it? I think so. You just got to learn your strategy. And there's been times where I'm like, man, fuck this shit, for sure. But then there's times where I'm like, okay, we in peak season, for sure. This shit booming. Okay, for sure. I need to go get boom, 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 more cars. Right now we got a 14 car fleet. Not the heaviest, not the lightest. Like I said, I do want to grow. I'm probably going to grow to like 30, 40 cars by the end of this year, hopefully. But now you just got to be strategic on how you buying the cars. You know, and I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me, oh, LLC, business credit, funding. None of this was on business credit yet, bro. Just so you know. And I'll drop another video on how I got the cars, and what's my plan with the business credit and all that stuff. It takes time. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys to be fooled. I don't want to give you guys false information. It does take time when it comes to Turo, business credit, and all that stuff. So, yeah, man. A little quick recap. If you're looking to get started on Turo, find a way to get a car first. Once you get a car, take your smartphone, take some good pictures, find a good location, do the research on the pricing in the market, price your vehicle, and watch the magic happen, man. Yeah, man, that's kind of what I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. It's your boy, man. Stay tuned. And make sure you smash on that subscribe button, man. I'm going to be coming back with so much more content for you guys. Okay? See you on the next one. Be gone.